Welcome to Zama cartoon.
Clap your hands and sing with me. Learning body parts is easy, you'll see.
Head, this is my head, round and bright. It helps me think all day and night.
Eyebrows, my eyebrows move when I'm surprised. They sit above my little eyes.
Eyes too little, eyes to look and see colors and shapes in front of me.
My cheeks are soft, they love to smile. They shine with joy all the while. Touch your head, your knees, your toes. Everybody sing, here it goes.
Neck, my neck holds my head up high. I turn it left and right, oh my.
I wave my arms from side to side. They help me play and reach up high.
Hands, my hands can clap. They help me play. They work and wave throughout the day.
My tummy's round, it likes to eat. It rumbles when it wants a treat.
Touch your shoulders, bend your knees. Sing along, it's fun and easy.
Back is straight, it helps me stand. It's strong and tall, oh, isn't that grand?
Legs, my legs are strong. They help me run. Jumping and dancing is so much fun.
Knees on knees and touch the floor. They help you walk, jump and explore.
Toes, wiggle your toes, so small and sweet. They help me balance on my feet.
From head to toe, we all can see these body parts belong to me.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.